Rui Python 357 Revolver. An iconic feature. An iconic gun. But I thought, you know what you don't often see on revolvers like this? That's a suppressor. So I went online and searched for an attachment. Couldn't find any. There's no attachment for this gun. So I just ordered one for a G-spec, VSR-10 G-spec, and I adapted it myself to kinda make this, which has worked amazingly well and allows me to attach a suppressor. Now, a black suppressor wouldn't really fit a chrome finish gun, so I opted for a chrome finish suppressor too, which looks stunning. It's the Quicksilver. Whoa, that's a lot of glare. Let's put off the light. So that looks better. See if it'll focus on that trademark here. And you can barely make it out, but that says Quicksilver Manufacturing. On the back of the suppressor, actually, I've also got the Quicksilver Manufacturing caliber 223, which isn't really in tune with the 357 this gun should normally have if it was a real steel, but you don't see it, so it doesn't matter. And the finish is stunning. It's an aluminum suppressor made by Mad Bull. Cost $50, and this is what it sounds like. Yes, that was with gas, without BBs, but this gun is already very silent. And with the suppressor, it's a stealth killer. Got 24 BBs, no mags to change, no sliding parts, really silent. You can pre-cock the hammer so that you only have a very light. And that's it. Very good for sneaking up behind your enemies, taking them out one by one without alerting the other one.